So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first I thought it was just some fancy diet fad, but then she showed me the ingredient plain old gelatin from the grocery store. I mean, we're talking about a packet that costs less than $1, and supposedly it's this potent fat-burning aid. My neighbor swore that since she started doing the gelatin trick every morning, she's noticed a real difference in how her clothes fit, and I have to admit, I was intrigued. People often overlook the humble gelatin, but researchers say it has some amazing properties that can help with digestion and even weight loss. The gelatin trick is all about harnessing these benefits in a simple, daily ritual. Imagine sipping on a warm, comforting drink made with this cheap grocery store ingredient, feeling your body start to wake up without the bloat, and knowing you're giving yourself a little boost to burn that extra fat. If you want to learn more about the gelatin trick and how to incorporate it into your daily routine, check out the link in my description below for a detailed walkthrough. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experience with the gelatin trick, head over to the pinned comment where we can chat more about it.